25%.
And this, sir, is why I like
Gear up.
Mustangs. If I put it under the sunlight,
50%.
I should be okay. And I brought that F-16 in right below the sunlight, and I was blind. I could not see anything.
25%. 50%. 50%.
Yes.
50%. 50%.
That's what I was afraid of, JD.
0.
Flew right into the sun, trying to turn around. Not bad for somebody who hasn't flown this one in a while.
%. 50%. Gear up.
Been flying that Corsair so much, I forgot how much easier this one is to fly. The wind's throwing it around, though. That's for sure.
Yeah, I took off. I blew the winds out from like that.
Yeah, it wants to push it over to the right.
Time remaining 4 minutes. 50%. 0.
Look at that tail wag. Holy cow.
25%. 50%. 0.
Very good.
Percent. 50%. Gear up. 25, 50%.
Little short, but that worked.
50%. Gear up. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
No.
25%. 5%. 0.
Oh man.
Full reverse. Warning. Braking. 50%. Gear up.
The funny thing is, when I got in this hobby, this was just the goal, to be able to fly a little A-10
Yeah.
eventually, and that was it. That changed a bit.
50%. 50%. 50%.
Last Sunday.
Okay, so
50%. 50%.
But see, there was no other pump.
50%. 50%.
I guess I've told you.
50%. Gear down. 25%. 0.
a little faster than I wanted, but okay.